So we should solve the first exercise, children. Exercise 3.1. The question is, in the figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is 70 degree and angle BOD is 40 degree, find angle BOE and reflex angle COE is the question. So this is the given figure. Compulsory you have to draw the figure for all the problems, and few questions figures will not be given to you, but in the solution I am drawing it on the board, so I want you to write in the classwork, children. So lines AB and CD intersect at O. So AB and CD are the lines which are intersecting at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE, angle AOC and angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is 40 degree, find angle BOE, that is this angle. The sum of AOC and BOE is given as 70 degree. They are asking us to find what is this individual angle BOE and this angle COE. Yes, this reflex angle COE is how much we need to find out. It is very simple, children. Now, if you look at the figure, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE, this forms the straight angle. Yes, no? Now you have on the line a straight line AB. Upon that, it is a straight angle, and you have lines like this, a ray of line, a ray standing on the line. That concept only if you apply, the sum of angle AOC, COE and BOE, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. This is what I am considering. The sum of all these three angles is equal to 180 degree. But angle AOC plus angle BOE, these two angles what we have is equal to 70 degree. Among these three angles, children, we know what is angle AOC plus angle BOE. In the problem itself, in the question they have given, it is equal to 70 degree. So this angle COE is unknown angle to us. So what I do is AOC, COE, EOB in order we took. But now, since some of these two angles I know, I am grouping them together in one bracket. That is angle AOC plus angle BOE plus COE. I am just rearranging them. In place of AOC and BOE, I will now substitute 70 degree from the given data, and angle COE I am writing it as it is equal to 180 degree. What is angle COE now? Is 180 degree minus 70 degree, which is equal to 110 degree. So we find it out that this angle is 110 degree. One angle COE we find it out. One more angle BOE also we need to find out. For that, we shall consider angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD. The adjacent angles we are taking, children. First we took 1, 2 and 3. Now we are taking 1, 2 and 3. So angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD is again equal to 180 degree. Just now we find it out, angle COE is 110 degree. So in place of angle COE, I am substituting 110 degree plus BOE I am keeping as it is because I don't know, I am finding out that only. Angle BOD I know it is equal to 40 degree. How do we know? Here they have given in the data, angle BOD is 40 degree, that we are substituting. So 110 plus 40 is 150 degree, children. So directly I am writing angle BOE is 180 minus 150, which we get as 30 degree. So we got BOE as 30 degree. Still that is not the end of the problem. We need to find out what is COE. 30 degree. Now we have to find out COE. You may tell COE we have already find it out. No ma'am, it is 110 degree. Yes children, we have find it out, just what is it. But they are asking us to find what is reflex angle COE. Means this, to find this angle, whole this reflex angle means complete we should know, that is Now we are doing that. COE, reflex angle C. If you want to write one word, reflex angle COE is equal to now sum of AOC plus AOD plus DOB plus BOE. That is what we have written. Reflex angle COE andre in this direction you go, children. Starting from AOC, AOD, DOB, BOE. That all that angles if you add, what you get is the reflex angle COE. That is what we are doing. So COE is angle AOC plus angle AOD is 180 degree. AOC, AOD is 180 degree. How means linear pair? I will draw it here, children. Illidiyala CD na, if you consider as line and AO as the ray, children, this I am telling, I am taken there in bracket angle AOC and angle AOD. These two are the pair of angles, linear pair of angles. So I have written together in the bracket plus BOD plus BOE as it is. Now in place of AOC and AOD together I am applying 180 degree. Why? Because linear pair. BOD they have only given us 40 degree, that I am substituting. BOE just now we find it out to be 30 degree, that I am writing. So 180 plus 40, 220 plus 30, 250 degree. We got reflex angle COE to be equal to 250 degree. So please don't get confused. This COE different. This is reflex angle COE, children. This is about the first problem. In the second problem, the question is, in the figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O. So we have line XY and line MN which is intersecting at O. If POY is equal to 90 degree, means this is a right angle 90 degree, and ratio of A is to B. They have labeled angle POM as angle A, angle MOX as angle B, and angle XON as angle C, and angle POY is 90 degree. They are given, children. So, and they have also given the ratio of angle A is to B is 2:3. Find out angle C. How much is C value? We need to find. Keeping the data A is to B is 2:3. It's very simple. So in the figure, XY and MN are the straight lines which are intersecting at O. They have only given that POY is 90 degree. Given data we wrote, and also given A is to B is 2:3. So since it is unknown, children, ratio we can write it in the form of X. So what I do is A is to B I write as A plus B. 2:3x as 2x plus 3x. But first we need to find out what is x in order to find the ratio. And we know that sum of A plus B is 90 degree. Why? Because this is the bisector, children. This line OM idiyala. Yes, OM is dividing the angle. It is the bisector. So I am writing sum A plus B as 90 degree. And why? Because one more reason I can give you as, see, angle POY is 90 degree they have given us. It is right angle anta. So, idu eradu adjacent angles or linear pair adre, their sum should be 180 degree. So, yes, so this whole angle POX idiyala, that is 90 degree. But this OM is acting as the bisector for this whole angle POX. So, split adre, or you can take their sum as 90 degree. So A plus B is 90 degree. 2:3 na 2x plus 3x and bardre. A plus B jagadalli I am substituting 90 degree. 2x plus 3x is 5x. So x will be 90 degree divided by 5, which we get x is equal to 18. Now we know value of B is 3x, 2:3, A is to B 2:3 andre, B is 3x, B is equal to 3x andre, 3 into x is 18. If you substitute 18 into 3, B we get 54 degree, children. Now angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Similarly, angle B and angle C is 180 degree. Why? Again they form the linear pair. I have written the reason in the bracket. Now to find it out, angle B is 54 degree, angle C we are finding out, write it as it is equal to 180 andre. C is equal to 180 minus 54 degree, where angle C is 126 degree, children. So it is very easy. Now you have to take down the solution right from the board, children. So listen to the explanation, simultaneously write the classwork and then go through the problem. You listen once and while writing, understanding and write. That will help you in understanding the problem, children. It is not like arithmetic and algebra, so practice nicely. That is about the second problem. Next we shall solve third. So children, next we have the third problem of exercise 3.1. The question is, in the figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So angle PQR means this angle is equal to angle PRQ. Angle Q and angle R are equal. Prove that PQS is equal to PRT, means PQS, this external angle, is equal to angle PRT. We need to prove. Hope you understood the question. So given that angle PQR is equal to PRQ, given anta you write the reason in bracket. What we need to prove? To prove that PQS is equal to PRT. Now children, if you consider this line SR or RS as the line and PQ as the ray standing on the line, then angle PQS and angle PQR make the linear pair, correct? Then I can write them as 180 degree, and that is what I have written here. Angle PQR plus angle PQS is 180 degree. I am calling it as equation 1. Why? Because linear pair. Similarly, if I consider PR as the line as the ray standing on the line QT, children, then PR is the ray, then angle PRQ plus angle PRT also is equal to 180 degree. Again they make the linear pair. I call it as equation 2. Now from equations 1 and 2, if you compare both the equations, the RHS of both equations 1 and 2 are same, that is 180 degree. Hence you can equate their LHS, that is angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ. This is angle PQR, PQS, PRQ, PRT. PRS, PRT, look children, here what I have done is idu PRQ, don't get confused, this is PRQ only. Still I will write PQR and cancel. I will explain you. I will not write. If you want, you can add one more step. What I have done is, so when equating PQR plus PQS is equal to PRQ plus PRT, I will write. Okay, now I will cancel PQR, PQR. But you may wonder, here PRQ should be there, no? But how can I write PQR in place of PRQ and cancel? Means here I have written what they have given. PQR is equal to PRQ they have given us. Based on the given data, I can replace PRQ by PQR so that PQR will get cancelled and I am left with PQS is equal to PRT. What did I just prove? PQS is equal to PRT, which is the required proof. Hence, prove your favorite statement at the end. In the test, simply don't scribble something and all, hence proved you will write. No, don't do that children. It is very simple. Apply the concept. Cancel of PQR you will get. That is about the third. Fourth problem. In the figure, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB, I have not mentioned A, this intersecting point is O children. AOB is a straight line we need to prove if x plus y is equal to w plus z. If you look, do you think they form the linear pair children? So we shall see. If at all, what we need to prove, if x plus y is w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. So let x plus y is equal to w plus z is equal to k. Why we need to take it as k? Because we don't know what are x, y and w, z. But they have given x plus y is equal to w plus z. Based on that we are telling that it be equal to k. Now means some x plus y no k, some w plus z is also k. So if at all I add them, that is x plus y is equal to w plus z. In this step we have this is equal to sign, you can see, no. In the next step what I do is I will remove the is equal to sign and put plus sign. I am putting plus sign. So x plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360 degree. Why children? Because you look at the figure x, y, w, x, y, z. Is it not making a complete angle? Complete angle is 360 degree. So x plus y plus w plus z is 360 degree children. So x plus y andreno k. W plus z andreno k. That is the reason I have underlined. Andre whole x plus y I have substituted as k. Whole w plus z I have substituted as k is equal to 360 degree. K plus k is 360 degree. K plus k is 2k is equal to 360 degree. K is clearly 180 degree. Our work is not over. K is equal to x plus y. So k is equal to x plus y. ಈ x plus y ಇಂದ ಇದು 180 degree ಅಂತ prove ಆದ್ರೆ AOB ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Straight line ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Why children? Because 180 degree is a straight angle. Hence we can write angle AOB is a straight line, which is linear pair. Which are linear pair? X and y are linear pair. That is how we proved AOB is a straight line. Next we have fifth and sixth problems. We should solve fifth problem children. Question is, in the figure POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. So ray OR is perpendicular andre clearly we can take angle ROQ is 90 degree to the line PQ. OS is another ray lying between the rays OP and OR. Yes, of course. Prove that angle ROS is half of QOS minus POS. We need to prove each small angle idiyalla ROS. Let me shade it for you. If I use color chalk also children, it doesn't differentiate in the video. That is why I'm not using. For 10th standard I used a check. But in the video later if I watch, no, I cannot see any color differentiation there. So I have stopped using color chalk. So please adjust with this. Angle ROS idiyalla, we need to prove angle ROS is ಈ QOS ಮತ್ತೆ POS to half ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Angle ROS is half of QOS and POS. ಈ whole angle POS ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ half of the part is angle ROS ಅಂತ we need to prove. So to prove that ROS is half of QOS minus POS we have written. In the figure angle ROQ or we have written ಇದೆ ತಗೋತೀನಿ, angle QOR is equal to angle POR. Both these angles are 90 degree. Why? They have given us RO is the perpendicular drawn to the line PQ. So both the angles are 90 degree. But if you look children, and for angle POR, OS is the bisector. Means it is dividing whole angle POR into angle POS plus angle ROS. That is what I have written in the next step. Angle POR is POS plus ROS. Now after that we should rearrange the terms here. Why? Because to prove that ROS is on my LHS. So my work is to take unknown quantity on LHS. So if I rearrange this children, ROS will be POR minus POS. That is what I wrote. ROS is POR is already there minus ROS. But we know that angle POR is 90 degree. ROS I will write as it is. In place of POR I will substitute 90 degree minus POS. I will call it as equation 1. Similarly, angle QOS I will consider now. Angle QOS is QOR plus ROS alva. So but we know QOR is 90 degree plus angle ROS. ROS. I will write as it is. Now again I want ROS on my LHS since it is unknown. So ROS will be QOS ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ plus 90 if you send to other side it will become minus 90 children. But since I want ROS on LHS I have written like this. Please don't get confused with this sign. I am calling it as equation 2. Next we shall add equations 1 and 2. If you add equation 1 and 2 you have ROS and ROS common on the LHS. So it is ROS plus ROS is equal to 90 degree minus POS plus QOS minus 90 degree. So plus 90 degree gets cancelled with minus 90 degree. In the next step ROS plus ROS is 2 times of ROS is equal to, look children, this is minus POS, don't forget this sign. 90 degree minus POS ittu, 90 degree got cancelled with the other 90 degree. So I am left with minus POS plus QOS. So let me keep the plus term in the front. So 2 times ROS is QOS minus POS, just rearranging. So ROS will be 2. In between ROS and 2 there is multiplication sign. So if I send 2 to RHS it will become divided by. So ROS is 1 by 2 times of QOS minus POS, which is the required proof. That is how we will solve, children. So the concepts will be very simple. Thing is you should learn to apply the concept. So blindly if I give you these problems, simply copying down there, if you see POR, ROS, if you sit and check, easily you will get understood, you will think. But in test or exam, just think in between many problems, if this problem is given, you will have lot many geometry chapters in this year, children, in this academic year. So you may get confused which concept, which this thing and all, which lesson, all that you cannot keep in mind. Oh, this is exercise 4.3, first problem, fifth problem, like that you cannot recall. So you should learn the concept. What all concepts I have learned? Can I apply this? Can I apply this or not? Like that you should think and apply, children. It will be there only solution. It will not ever, never ever be difficult. You should little think ashta. Then you have the sixth one, last problem. It is given that XYZ is equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. Look again here they are asking for reflex angle. Figure they are not given, children, but I am giving you the figure. But the problem is homework for you. Very simple. Apply the concept of linear pair. You will easily find out. So as they have explained, I have drawn the figure. It is given that angle XYZ is 64 degree. I have marked. And XY, this line XY is there now. It is produced up to point P. See, line XY is produced up to point P. Draw the figure from the given information. Yes, it is drawn. And YQ is bisecting angle ZYP. ZYP, what we are getting, this angle, this line YQ is bisecting it, they are telling. Find out the angles. Just using this figure, you can angle XYZ is 64 degree anta kottidare. Using this data and applying the concept of linear pair, children, you can solve it on your own. So this completes the exercise 3.1, children. Next you have the concept of alternate angles and corresponding angles. We shall be discussing it in next session. Thank you.